So friends, let me talk about modules. What are modules? So basically the modules are Python scripts. So whenever we write a code, whenever we write a programs in Pythons, we write a number of lines. And sometime we need to use same amount of logic, same logic in different code. So instead of rewriting it, what we can do, we can import it. So these files are bundled with functions and variables and classes, and we can reuse in programming. It can also contain runnable codes. So it's pretty simple, my friend. If you are familiar with the C, C++, where we include different types of libraries, and in Java, where we import different type of packages and classes. So same thing is here. Here you can write a code and then you can import that particular code in another program, in another code. So for example, here you can see the animal. So when we talk about the object oriented principles, where an animal is a one script and you want to import the functions available in that particular animal Python code or variables and classes in the different class, you can use import statement. And same thing happen. For example, canine is an animal, so you can import animal in canine. Same thing, feline, and then the same thing with the dog and the wolf.